You want this? Welcome. Start by dragging down a logo, then click on it to scale it down to 50, as demonstrated. Next, navigate to Media and drag down the adjustment layer. Now go to Effects, scroll down to Boris FX, select Particles, and drag the BCC particle system onto the adjustment layer. This is what it looked like when you preview it. Now click on it and go to the top to select Effect. Further scroll down to increase the birth rate to 500 and lifespan to 100. Scroll down to Production, set the production boundary to Source, and under Center XY, enter 0.50 for both X and Y as shown. Scroll down to increase the depth to 100, then adjust the spread amount by increasing it to 360. Go to the Movement section and set both Gravity and Gravity Angle to 0. Then, scroll down to Frequency and set it to 0 as well. Next, go to the Camera Settings, scroll down to Translate Z and enter -200. Next, go to Animations and make sure Follow Start Frame is selected for Keyframe Animation. Then, scroll down and check the box for Revised Time as shown. To animate, scroll up to Production and navigate to Center Z. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning, then apply a keyframe and set the value to -500. Now move the playhead to 2 minutes 50 seconds, then go up to Apply Keyframe and restore back to 0. Scroll down to Rotate, select the first keyframe, then go up to Apply a Keyframe and enter -360 as shown. Position the playhead at 2 minutes and 38 seconds, then go up, apply a keyframe, and reset the value to 0 as shown. Next, navigate to Movement and scroll down to Air Resistance. Select the first keyframe, then go up and apply a keyframe with a value of 0. Now click the last keyframe, then go up to Apply Keyframe and type 100. Further, click the second keyframe, then go up to Layer, scroll down to Opacity, then apply keyframe at 100 as shown. Now click the last keyframe and go up to reduce the opacity to 0 and preview as shown. Move the playhead 5 or 6 frames backward, split the logo image, then go to Effects and search for Edge Glow 04. Drag it onto the Split section and preview the result as shown. Using Split section as guide, drag down text title, adjust as shown, then click to advance. So I type my text, reduce its size, and change its font, then go to Animation to apply Up-Dare Insert Animation as shown, then apply. Afterward, I preview. Finally, you can use the same layer to create additional logo particles as shown. You can also find the template in the description. Have a wonderful day.